Oh my god.
Yes.
Who's your twin?
I have my hoodie. It's just in my backpack. Is doing important treasure stuff.
Yeah, Coleman, the money man.
Let me get. Hey, are you ready to win?
No, we don't do that type of. Wait, say
Okay, y'all, we just handed out donuts. Oh my gosh, our two least favorite people are coming. Oh my gosh, I caught it on camera. He's committing fraud. Treasure who can forge.
You serious?
Everybody say hi to the camera.
No.
Oh, Jesus. That was scary. Okay, look at her finally putting her host merch on, as she should. Good president. She looks like the...
Like the vine. It's not even recording.
Is it not? Girl, I don't know, I just picked it up.
Are you a Nicki fan?
I'm a Justin fan.
That's my favorite sound right now. Kitchen to eat stuff at 2 a.m. Whenever my daughter cries.
Credit card number. No, one of them was like, North, do you know how to play Cash App? It's a really fun game.
Death challenge. I need 3 wins.
Oh, I'm a 7.
Okay, well, I can trade with one of my friends.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying, but I need the legendary trade token.
Can y'all keep it on DL?
Yes, Chris. So easy. No, absolutely. No, I literally was just like...
Wait, yeah.
Wait, what is that?
Oh my god, he's so cool.
Wow, guys, it's a $2 bill.
We go in the sand. Hold it up to your eye. Harrison, hold it up to your eye.
If you win her every single time, then you can go. Oh no. No, one more. I can win against her at a time. Last one, Madison.
Serious? Madison, you got this?
Oh! What are you trying to steal this time, Coleman?
A donut?
Oh my gosh.
Hey, look. These guys need $2.
Do you know the 5 Kardashian Jenner people?
Yeah, there's, okay, so...
The 5 girls, yeah. The 5 sisters.
Well, okay, so there's Kim, there's,
How much is this?
We already paid 25 cents.
Okay.
No, that's too cheap. Let's do $4.
Oh, you stole so much food. Yeah. We basically do nothing. I think this is embarrassing. No.
He does.
Oh my. Happy birthday to you.
Look at them, they
Woo.
No, they're joking.
No one joined us though. Y'all are insane.
Whoever's watching this, back in the 2020s, this was a big deal.
The 2020.
I was looking at the Spotify rap, so I tried to check iTunes, and I did not listen to enough music. What are you doing, Jesslyn?
Currently working on EMT.
Hugs and kisses.
Bye.
Back in like 40 minutes.
Make sure she doesn't mark your attendance.
I'll have the thing ready for you. The video. Hey y'all. Hey vlogs, we're back again, this time with a special guest. He's a little bit camera shy.
Oh, shut the hell up.
How's creative problem solving?
Really easy.
When are your... Okay, did Lagoon tell you about the academic conflict?
Yeah. I told him that if he leaves academics, he's a bitch.
He will have to leave that.
No, I mean, if he leaves HOSA,
okay.
he's a bitch.
So let me tell y'all the dilemma. You want to tell it? Yeah, okay. So on Friday, February 28th is HOSA area, and Friday, February 29th is HOSA area awards. But Saturday is like Academic State Part 2, but it's in San Antonio. Are you on Spotify? What was your top song? Probably some UK drill.
Probably is some UK drill. Actually,
my top is Taylor Swift. I'm in the top 2%
Top
for
artist?
listeners.
Wow.
And I couldn't get enough of Cruel Summer
What's your favorite song by
by
Taylor
her. Right now, I am really vibing with Haunted acoustic version.
Oh.
I was in Eden's top 0.05% of
Oh,
listeners.
Wow.
shoot.
And Sex is one of his songs, and Spotify just doesn't know how to work it.
Yeah.
oh my god, beautiful app. Are you recording or just a photo? It's recording. I don't know, they're just taking a photo or something.
Hey, it's December 1st. They're studying for...
camera. Justin, I'm trying to study, and you're being a real distraction.
What are y'all studying?
Everything. Can you play games on that?
No. You could turn on the volume.
What do you think the specs on this baby are?
You're so cringe.
2 gigabytes.
Anybody got a ruler?
The software. A ruler?
Like, act like you caught me off guard.
Are you recording?
Oh, you're recording?
Oh my god.
How long is
I really want to be in the vlog.
Hi. Harrison, did you do
What are we doing?
We are skipping class. Okay, we're on our way to the parking lot because we're skipping school to get pizza and stuff. So, let me use in 3 so don't spoil anything. What?
Say it's the vlog.
Okay. Oh. Okay, no, I'll give a rough overview. I don't like the butterfly effect and like how coincidental it all is. Like I don't like that Walt met Jane's dad in the bar, and I don't like who Andrea's brother was.
Okay, Andrea's brother. It's such a minor thing.
Like.
What's up? What you doing?
I'm driving.
What's the fit?
Okay, it looked good before. I had to put on a hosted
Before you
jacket.
put on the hoses.
Currently at Subway. Well, not at Subway yet.
We're going to Subway last, I thought.
No, Subway's at 10.
Okay.
Okay. Domino's. How many did we get?
20 pizzas for 62.
Gosh.
Crazy. Yeah, go.
They ate the whole 2 pizzas.
on the feet.
Don't do it that night.
Huh?
Throw it away.
Make that aesthetic in itself.
Nasty. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
I don't like sriracha. Yeah. Right. I don't like sriracha. It's too like. I don't know. Just I don't know. It tastes like bacon. It tastes bacon.
Bro, my spice level's not that.
Girl, did you just watch me cut my?
You're nasty.
Where'd you get the camera from?
Which one? $1 for 2. This one's from Amazon. It was like $20.
It was not 20 bucks.
Okay, 50. I do have a Canon.
Where'd you get it from?
My dad.
Where did he get it from?
Like the 2000s store.
I want to get.
Almost like there's not really that much of a difference.
The thing is, like, I forgot what it was.
Whoa, guys, stop. Dave just called me. Awful.
You're a terrible person.
Harrison, look at my backpack, the blue one. Should be the 4th pocket. There's a water bottle.
We got the same background.
We crippin' blood.
Like that one time we were calling them Joe and Jalen, like we were going to main event. You remember that? They kept calling Joe, and then Joe got so mad.
Because Jalen's struggling to figure out the directions, and then it's just like, oh shit, they calling again. He called. Dude, no, I fall asleep right in front of him. He doesn't care. Me? Yeah. Give me a second. What are you doing? Nah. Fuck, bro. You're so really.
Especially Brian.
Brian, you gotta stop.
Okay.
Out of here, bro. What the fuck?
No, good luck, Charlie.
Yeah, that's what it reminds me of.
Brian, say good luck, Charlie. All right. You gotta do the thing.
Good luck, Charlie.
FAM.
Oh my God! Hey, yo.
Okay.
Okay, no, first me, Becca,
Say hi to the camcorder.
and then you just said, oh,
Oh, hey, make Samuel do the rest. And he's like, if he's not hiding, he's stupid, so he wouldn't do the non-fiction books. Facts? Dude, if you get good connections, you get like book club snacks.
Book club snacks.
Sweet book club.
but like, I'm gonna put in the books up, alright? Do you know where the books go now? Go there.
Well, it's like there. Alright.
I really don't like the library.
Why not?
One of them's really nice, and this is the.
Yeah, they're
You're totally fine. We also have food there. No way.
Yeah, X was really good. Or X and Y were really good.
I know, I
Yeah.
thought it was good.
You watched a let's play of it or what?
Me?
Yeah.
She played it.
I thought you said you had a DS, not a 3D.
What do you guys want?
You keep doing that.
Which emoji?
You dropped your girlfriend, bro.
Should I do this emoji?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You like
She grinded the hash browns.
No.
do it. Yeah, you can sit. You can
Sit there. I'm sitting here.
No.
He comes to class more than you do, Justin.
No, for real.
I mean, that was
An unmarried man is technically called Master. Call me Master All Brown, but you would call me that if it was a while ago, but I'm not gonna say.
You
Master Hall.
You're
Okay.
Master editing.
All hail Master Hall
How's
Brown.
your Master Hall Brown?
That's so tough.
She had this interest in me, and the next thing are you recording?
No, don't worry. It doesn't pick up audio that
I
well.
was about to say.
It's not going anywhere.
Okay, so
My 6 subscribers are gonna have a lot of.
it's brown eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Goes all the way up the nose.
Alright, we're on Justin's. Oh shit.
You can flip it so you can see it.
Oh wow. We're on Justin's shitty ass camcorder.
No, you can't.
This is host of president right here, Miss MRC. So if y'all didn't know, Justin actually has no qualifications and does no work. There's actually proof. This is quantitative proof. Justin called me a pawn and said that you never see the president doing work, which is true in this day and age. But you know, anyways.
How'd it go?
I think we did alright.
All right, Mr. Yaya, chin strap.
Just want to show this to you. It
Oh
is
my gosh.
and that's also who my cat is also follows. But then I don't think he knows it's his kid because he hates him. So we have.
Bye. Where are you going? Okay, I'm heading to work.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's fun.
Hold on. You're on speaker right now.
Say hi to my camcorder. One sec. I'm opening my fortune.
Haha, yes.
Lean down.
I'm here again. I'm here at my own consent. I was not told to be
You can't
here.
even see your face. Okay. Better be something good.
Turn it around,
Oh.
stupid. It's on the other side.
Awaken your divine nature within. That's dumb.
Yeah, I agree with that.
He doesn't actually look. Sam, say hi.